Have you ever smiled while remembering a perfect moment, only to wonder later if it really happened that way? What if I told you that every time you remember something, your brain quietly changes it? Your memories aren't stored like videos waiting to be replayed. They're more like stories, rewritten every time you open the book. Imagine your favorite childhood birthday. You probably remember the cake, the laughter, maybe the gifts. But your brain isn't replaying that day, it's rebuilding it. Tiny details disappear. New ones quietly sneak in. Even the way you feel today can change how yesterday feels. That's why two siblings can remember the exact same family vacation, completely differently. Neither of them is lying. They're simply remembering different versions of the same story. Scientists have discovered that every time you recall a memory, it becomes flexible for a short time before your brain stores it again. During that moment, new feelings, new information, or even someone else's version of the story can quietly become part of your own. It sounds unsettling, but it's actually one of your brain's greatest strengths. Instead of keeping a frozen copy of the past, your mind constantly updates memories to help you make sense of the present. That's why painful memories often become softer with time, and why happy moments can feel even warmer than they really were. Your brain isn't trying to fool you, it's trying to protect you, help you learn, and give your experiences meaning. So the next time you remember a special moment, don't ask, did it happen exactly like this? Ask, what has this memory taught me? Because sometimes the most important part of a memory isn't whether every detail is true, it's the person you've become because of it. Follow Mind Heart Tales for more tiny psychology lessons that actually stick.